Welcome to the question number 7 of our CKS exam practice question series. It is the first series. This type of 4 series will be available in this playlist, but this is very important. So you must connect to the correct host. Failure to do so may result in zero score. So this is the warning you always get because you need to SSH whatever provided in your action. A pod in a cluster is behaving unexpectedly and poses a potential security risk. It has been observed that one of the pod belonging to the application Neokloud is accessing the host system memory through the sensitive dev map. The other cluster uses Docker as a container runtime. Maybe there could be any other container runtime. So identify the pod that is accessing dev and determine the deployment managing this pod. Scale the identified deployment. Zero replicas noted here. You need not delete the deployment, but make sure that replicas set to zero. Do not modify the deployment step for scaling it. Do not delete any deployments. Do not modify any other resource. So whatever things you have to do is clearly mentioned in the questions. So let's start. And this is the fresh scenario. We have to do whatever things required. So first, let's understand the question. So we are told that one of the pod is accessing that dev map. Now I want you to pause here and think, what is dev map? It's not a normal file. This is actually direct access to the system physical memory. That means a container is trying to read host memory, which is very serious security threat or issue. So if any container touches dev mem or any container access dev mem, means it's badly compromised or is badly so this is not a normal. So our job is not to fix the application logic, but identify the threat and immediately contain. So this is a security incident handling question and not the deployment task. The plan is very simple. Detect which pod is doing the bad activity and then trace back to the created pod and then reduce that scaling to zero. So here, what is the container runtime? That is doc. So to get the means which container is accessing this. So we can check the log of Falco. This scenario actually took a lot of time because it's killer coder. So what you have to do, you have to type Falco and you in this three scenario, you need to select this third one, then start. Will install Falco. Will take a few seconds to install it. It's done. Then check if a local rule exists. So you can check which Falco rules there. So need to define a rule. You need not to define this rule because those were already set. You need to just check the logs. So see, scenario actually it is little difficult to create that coda. Now create a misbehaving pod. Create a misbehaving. So get pods. So one is already created, and this we have created new cloud. Now let's watch the Falco logs. So actually this is the kernel CTL. Means this command is used to read the logs from the services, and this you showing this log of particular this. Otherwise there would be as too much noise. This hyphen app is in follow logs in real time. You have seen in tail hypings and this pipe symbol very much. Just if you don't know means this Falco modern BPF, then if you Falco document, then you can find it here. This service Falco modern BPF can, or otherwise if you come here list files, so list unit and type is equal to service, then you can if you this estimates, we will see a lot of service and look for the Falco only. So grip hyphen we will see a modern Falco web service. So anyway, just read it. Here you will find namespace default and particular this pod. So this pod is having that access to dev map. So let's this is the pod, but we don't know which deployment is having this pod. So I'll copy this pod name, get pod, will paste pod name. So here if you want to see owner reference, so you can just find owner reference or just grep that owner reference, let's say, and here an A5. So yeah, I tried. Sorry, means first you need to go to the replicas and then go to the deployment. So this is the replica, copy it here and get rs, then shift v and then OEML, and then again owner references. Then here you will find the name is deployment. So copy this and make means get deployment Neokloud. This is that deployment and make this deployment till 0. Just kubectl scale deployment Neokloud hyphen replicas to 0. So this way we have already done this question. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet with another question. Thank you. If suppose you cannot able to find it with this Falco, then you can try with the Docker also and paste